Today we'll be learning about how to set A4 size in Excel. Make sure to watch the video till the end so that you won't make any mistakes during the process. Before that, support our channel by hitting the subscribe button, like button and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from this channel. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. First thing first, open the Microsoft Excel in your PC. After that, you need to open the sheet. After that, select any cell you'd like to, and at the top you can see the page layout. Click on the page layout option and now click on the size. On this drop down box, select the A4 option, and after that you can print this sheet. For that, let's click on this file option and click on the print, and from here you can select the copies as well, so you can print this Microsoft Excel sheet as well. So this is how you can easily set A4 size in Excel. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then hit the like button, subscribe and comment if you have any queries. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.